Hello, bonjour, aloha, ni hao. To all my viewers out there, the White Hurricane has ravaged the East Coast and is considered by some to be one of the deadliest storms in all of human history. About 1 in every 4 people have felt some kind of effect from this deadly storm. Some parts of New York are reaching snow depths of 40 to 50 inches. In fact, New York City has received the most with a record of 55 inches. As of midnight on March 11th, wind speeds have exceeded over 80 miles per hour. The repercussions of this wintry madness is shocking.
Preach it.
When you go outside, all you see is a white sheet of snow. Excuse me, New York. Oh, sorry, New York, that was unprofessional. I had a little froggy in my throat. Anyways, back to the coverage of this dangerous storm. When you go outside, all you see is a white sheet of snow plowing across the city. It's horrific, yet awe-inspiring. Now let's head over to our local boater on the borders of New York to tell us what it's like. Jerry, you're on.
Are we live? We're live? Alright, we're golden. Thanks, Ricky. It's Jerry here. I'm here with Fisherman Harry Grumman.
How are you, Jerry?
I'm doing good. It's a blizzard of 1888. I want to know exactly how it affected you.
Well,
Local fisherman in New York.
first of all, my boat's wrecked somewhere out there at sea.
Really? Were you out there during the storm?
Yes, this storm
Oh,
pushed me back, but I fought, came back. But I'm pretty sure 200 other boats are still out there.
Are you serious?
And I do
Out-
not know
out in that
what they're
blizzard?
doing right now.
We're finally, the sky's clearing up, the wind is dying down, the blizzard is coming to a close. But it's left New York in tatters.
Another thing, Jerry, is that 100 of my fellow seamen are out at sea right now, and I don't know if they're coming back, Jerry. I really don't. Which
gotta do something about that.
Which sort of brings me to tears.
Are there-
Although I am on camera right now, I will not go to tears. But it's been truly heartbreaking, Jerry.
That's really sad.
We are now going to our weather analyst and science expert, Clyde McCruber. Bring him in.
Thank you, Brady.
Welcome.
All right. Hello, sir. Today, we're going to be talking about blizzards. In fact, the blizzard of 1888. It's not really a rare day when a blizzard comes by. Not freak storms at all. But this one, a storm of this magnitude, is insane. For a blizzard to form, there must be cold air at the top, the very height of the clouds, at the surface, ground level. All right. The reason for this is so that snow, when it comes from the top, doesn't melt, and when it comes to the bottom. You need that snow for the blizzard, obviously. Alright, also there must be a high amount of moisture in the air. You realize that, right?
I follow.
Alright. The reason for this is the moisture condenses and freezes and becomes snow. An integral part of the blizzard. Alright. From then on, you need a high pressure system there and a low pressure system here. When they meet, the particles from the high pressure system flow quickly, and very interesting stuff, I know. For the 80-mile-per-hour winds to be created in New York, there was a perfect condition.
It's astonishing.
In fact, the conditions were sublime. Incredibly cold wind, huge pressure system change, so that when it came from the high pressure to the low pressure, a very drastic difference, creating very quick wind, blizzard-type wind. In fact, I've never seen it before. Not in my lifetime. I don't think anyone will.
Well, it's been a pleasure, Clyde.
It's been a pleasure.
Thanks, Clyde. Now we're going to see how the citizens of New York are doing. Sending it down to Jerry, who's with Pat Wheeler right now.
Thank you. Here with Pat, talking about what it's like to be a New York citizen during this terrible storm. Pat?
This is really unlike anything I've ever seen before. The electricity in my house is out. My kids are very scared. If I felt fear, I too might feel scared. My wife is one of the 15,000 people who are stranded out. I could actually walk across the East River from Manhattan to Brooklyn. It's that cold out. It's that cold. This is truly a storm that will go down in the annals of history. Thank you very much, Pat. Back to you.
My sweet tuna, that sounds like hell of a storm. I know everyone here at Channel 4 is sending out prayers to all the victims right now. To all my compadres out there. Stay voluptuous.
To my heavens of Bali.
Oh! Guess who's back? It's Blizzard 88! Okay. MC Realms Rap, we here. CCES. Let's go. Drop it. The beat. Okay. Molecules rising up in the air. Cooled so much, snow in your hair. Adiabatic rate cools air to water. This knowledge is real, so go tell your daughter.
It's go time, snow time on the block, sending shocks to the universe. 50 inches this time, get prime, it's blizzard time in the northeast. Great white hurricane was so insane, caused so much pain, destroying trains in each lane.
Yeah. Okay. Blizzard 88. 88. Blizzard 88. Snow be blowing through the air, it's a white nightmare. Better stay indoors, slam the door. Can't handle this beast anymore. 400 dead, how you feeling? Not good, huh? But surviving. Okay. Winds racing fast, 70 in the air. People getting scared, pulling out their hair. White hurricane coming at the east coast. It's so damn cold you can't burn your toast. Visibility less than quarter mile. Winds coming at ya 35 miles an hour. That's a lot of power. Okay. One take. It's time. Let's go.
Yo, we out.